All right, can you see the door behind me?
Yes. Take 25.
This is only take 2. So today on the log home build series, we're going to show you our laundry room. So back here in our hallway, we put ourselves in a barn door, and we made ourselves a handle out of some black pipe. And so behind this barn door here is our laundry room, and it is also a pantry. So let me take you inside and show you what it looks like. So when you first walk into the laundry room, on the right hand side here, this is more of the laundry area. So we got our washer and dryer. We've got our 2 black pipe shelves that we just put in here a couple days ago. Of course, this one here is where we can store our hangers, and we can hang our clothes as we do the laundry. And then the rest of this is pretty much all pantry space. So on the back side of this wall here, the original house plans had like a back door leaving here, and we got rid of that back door, and because we wanted to be able to fill this room with cabinets and make it more of a pantry. So we've got some cabinets to wrap around here. We've got this is food in here. We've got a bunch of odds and ends in these cabinets. We've got some appliances, like the extra kitchen appliances and stuff like that, in some of these cabinets as well. And this corner cabinet right here is a cabinet that I actually kind of requested to be made. So these are all custom cabinets, and this is kind of a blind corner cabinet. So in this cabinet, this is our broom closet. And so we don't have a broom closet in the house. This is where we're going to put our brooms and our vacuums, all our cleaning supplies, all go in this closet right here. So that's kind of a nice deep cabinet with some shelves on the side there. So that kind of doubles, as our broom closet. We do have a little bit of countertop space here, and this countertop is acacia butcher block. We ordered that from Lumber Liquidators. Comes in an 8-foot long piece, so we cut it, glued it together, and made this L shape, and then we used a couple coats of tung oil on it, and so we ended up kind of assembling and making this countertop ourselves. So that was just to kind of help cut down on some of the costs. There was no need to have a quartz countertop like we do in the kitchen in the laundry room. So this right here is like the majority of our pantry space right here. So we've got this nice big shelving unit. I think it's about 4 feet wide, and we can put all of our store-bought goods pretty much here, all of our canned goods and home canned goods here on this shelf. And it's a pretty nice shelf. These shelves actually can go in 2 different directions. So you can see there's a lip. You can flip it over, and there's a lip to keep any of the stuff from sliding off, or you can turn it back over, and then there's no lip on it at all if you don't want the lip. You got 2 choices on how to put the shelves on there. So we have this blank space here at the end of the wall, and we've used this to hang my cast iron. So we just took some black pipe and put that on the wall here. And we bought some wrought iron hooks that kind of look like blacksmith style of hooks, and we've got those to hang the cast iron here on the wall. So we do cook with gas. I use the cast iron quite a bit, and this is where we store that. Well, this is one of the last rooms that I needed to showcase here on the log home build. Pretty happy with the way the laundry room and pantry turned out, sharing the same space. Here, we're living out here in the country. This is an old farm that we're trying to revitalize here. So I really think that a pantry is a really important part of living the rural lifestyle. So I really wanted to try to incorporate that into our house plans. So I don't think you see that enough in houses anymore, but I really wanted to make sure we had a pantry in our house. Eventually I'll probably throw a few more videos here on this log home build series. May show a video of the master suite. I haven't shown the master bedroom and bathroom yet, and may do a house tour on the entire log home. And I still do need to put stone pillars on the front of the house around each side of the gable entrance, and that'll probably be in the spring. So eventually I will post more videos on the log home build. It just will take time before I get to those. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Mm-hmm.